Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be telling you the top disturbing banned video games. Number 1. Manhunt. This is a stealth game developed by Rockstar North. This game centers around James Earl Cash, a death row inmate who believes he's being executed by lethal injection. Instead, he wakes up sedated, only to hear the voice of the director, a former film producer from Los Santos, a city from the GTA universe. The gameplay features brutal executions using plastic bags, firearms, and more. It was called the most violent game ever made by the Chicago Tribune. US Representative Joe Backer introduced legislation in response to this game, aiming to fine retailers who sold adult-themed games to minors. Due to public backlash, Manhunt was banned in New Zealand and Australia. Number 2. Postal. This game was developed by Running with Scissors. Postal follows a postal dude, a mentally unstable man who believes the US Air Force released an airborne agent called the Hate Plague. He's convinced everyone is infected, and he goes on a violent killing spree, hearing voices in his head. Players must eliminate enough people per level to progress, and the original ending features Postal Dude getting locked in a mental institution, with satanic imagery included. The game was banned in several countries. Number 3. Custer's Revenge. This game was created by Mystique, a company focused on adult video games. This game stars the original character, General George Armstrong Custer. He's portrayed nude except for his hat. The goal is to cross a field under a barrage of arrows to reach a Native American woman tied to a pole, and then press the action button to stimulate sexual assault. The game came in a sealed packaging labelled "Not for sale to minors" and cost about $16 in today's money. Mystique's president claimed the act was seduction and consensual. Though never officially banned in the US, most retailers refused to carry it. Number 4. Carmageddon. This is a vehicle combat racing game. It allows players to win races by finishing first, destroying opponents, or running over pedestrians. Running over people added time to the race clock, which created massive controversy. To gain approval, developers censored it by replacing humans with zombies or robots, and using green or black fluids instead of blood. Still, it was banned in the UK temporarily, Germany, and Brazil. Number 5. KZ Manager. This is a browser-based simulation game. It lets players manage a World War II German concentration camp. Players handle prisoner logistics, resources, and public opinion to improve productivity. It was confiscated and banned in Germany under Criminal Code Section 130, which prohibits incitement of hatred and glorifying Nazism. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!